guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is just going to do like a glowy look for you guys. Summer's right around the corner, so I want to do something that, you know, something simple, easy, on the go, but you're still looking flawless. So nothing different today, except for I am going to be using the Prep and Prime Fix Me Plus from MAC. This stuff is amazing. If you do not have this, you need to invest in this or something like it. I have tried the Wet n Wild one, and I got it at CVS for like $3, and I really like that one too. It's really affordable, and it works really well. So I've already put this on my face, moisturizing my face. Shout out to Amy. She reached out to me and told me that this has worked wonders for her. So I'm so glad that this has like helped someone. I don't really have sensitive skin or anything like that. Like my skin, I mean, I get breakouts, don't get me wrong, like everybody does, but these two are like my go-to drugstore, you know, things to put, like moisturizers every day. So I mostly use this one in the morning before I put my makeup on, because it helps. It's basically like a primer, and I put this one on at night. It's a little thicker and it just feels good on my face after I get out of the shower. I hate feeling like SpongeBob when he's at Sandy's house, you know? So another thing, I know I said I didn't like this little guy in one of my videos, but I'm gonna try it again and see how it goes. So I've actually tried it a couple more times, and I'm okay with it. It's okay. So I got a new foundation. This is a Smashbox Studio Skin. I am actually going to apply this all over. I'm gonna go back with a little sponge and just dab it in just a little bit. So normally I set my foundation and put like a loose powder over it. I'm not gonna do that because we want that glowy natural look. So this is gonna be a super simple makeup routine that anybody can do. We're just gonna go in a little bit of strobe cream as well. I'm actually gonna put this on the brush and then put another small layer of foundation on and just rub that in again. So what we're going to do again is we're going to spray this on our face again. And just do a quick little dab all over. What am I doing? So this strobe cream is actually really nice too. You could just put this all over your face if you're not gonna wear foundation, or you could put it over like a BB cream or whatever you want to do, and then just use that on your skin to make you look more radiant too. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows really quickly. I'm using the NYX Precision Eyebrow Pencil. Now what I'm using is just a NARS Laguna bronzer, my favorite. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to move on to our eyes. Lux Diamond Powder, and just apply that to our under eyes just a little bit, brighten them up. I normally just do this if I'm really tired, and I notice like in the morning, like I just look tired and you just gotta wake my ass up. Put that on there. And what we're going to do next is we're gonna move on to our eyeballs. So I'm just gonna use this NYX Dreamcatcher palette in the Dusk Till Dawn, and I'm gonna use the Stormy Skies. Also, we're gonna use the browns just to deepen up our crease, give our eyes some kind of dimension. Oh, also the choker that I'm using is from chicwishlist.com, and I have a coupon code too for you guys to use. Their jewelry is super cute, very inexpensive, and they have a lot to choose from. I got a couple of their pieces and they sent me a couple pieces too. So I will keep you posted on how those are too. But I will go ahead and link my coupon code down below so that way you guys can go ahead and take advantage of that offer that they sent me. And you guys let me know in the comments below how you like their jewelry if you order. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you are. Now, I don't have a Twitter. I haven't had a Twitter in years. And it's just, I don't know, it just doesn't do anything for me anymore. I just haven't had the urge to get back on there. So I'm just gonna put some of this powder over my eye. And what I'm going to use is the Color Tattoo by in 55 ink. It's by Maybelline. So it comes in like a little pod like this. And I'm just following like my actual like eyeball in here and just going like this. I'm not applying too much pressure. I'm not like scraping my eyeball. On top of that is I'm gonna use this Pacifica Island Life, and we're gonna use this pink color right here and just grab a little bit and put that right in the center to make that pop a little bit more. Into the dark Dust Till Dawn, can't talk, and we're gonna use a little bit of this brown, dip into that, and we're gonna just go back in. Anastasia Glow Kits. I'm super excited because I've been wanting this for a minute. It's the Sun Dipped kits, and it's just amazing. Highlighter, look at that. Can you guys see that? Oh girl, yes. So pretty. Like, I love these products. They're so good. A little goes a long way. I mean, look at that. Shining. And what you can also do is we can grab another little brush, spray this with the Fix Me Plus, and dab it into, let's do Moonshine. Dab it in there, and then just right at the very top of your cheekbones. Since it's wet, it's gonna stick on even more and give you an even bigger glow. In the summer, I really don't use eyeliner. You're sweaty, you're hot, your makeup is running everywhere. Like, ain't nobody got time for that to be looking like a slob, right? So what I do is I grab a short little like angled brush like this, and I'll dip it into either a brown or a black eyeshadow, and this will work as an eyeliner. So I'm just going to line the top of my lashes and just push to apply mascara. Today I'm using the MAC False Lash Extreme mascara in black. And we're going to apply, obviously, blush. Like, I love blush. It just makes you look more, I don't know, pretty. And we're just going to apply this to the apples of our cheeks into the glow kit, and we are going to dip Moonshine. I'm just going to use my finger and put that in the corner of our eyes. This MAC lip gloss, it's called Saint No Angel, and we are going to line our lips with MAC lip liner in Oak, my favorite. And so now we're gonna go ahead and apply the Fix Me Plus again. And I'm gonna go back with the sponge and I'm just going to dab my skin just a little more and get all of your hair. And this is it, you guys. This is super simple, super easy to do, and I hope you like the look. Let me know if you have any questions or any, you know, makeup tutorials you want to see. I'm all ears. Also, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel because I ordered the Kim Kardashian and Mario palette, and I'm super excited and cannot wait till I get it so that way I can make a video for you guys. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.